And so welcome back to another quick tip here on your digital makeover. My name is Jerry Lee Colbert. Today we're going to go over how you can utilize your spotlight on your Mac to make quick calculations. Maybe you have decided that you want to calculate something. Maybe you don't know what 1 plus 1 is, right? Well, instead of breaking out the calculator on your Mac, all you have to do is hit Command Spacebar, and that pulls up your Spotlight search. And then you just type in 1 plus 1, and it automatically calculates for you. But maybe you need something a little bit more complicated. Maybe you need to convert 8 ounces to a liter. It can do all kinds of calculations and conversions right here in Spotlight without any need of breaking open the calculator that comes with the Mac. Because the Spotlight itself goes ahead and uses the calculator in the background. As you can see here, there's the calculator symbol to make these calculations. So next time you have to calculate anything, just bring up the Spotlight tool by hitting Command and Spacebar. And that'll bring that up, and then you can go and calculate what 800 times 800 times 800 times 800. Oh, anyways, I'm getting a little out of control, ain't I? But anyways, so that's all you have to do. So I hope you all enjoyed this short little episode, and if you did, like always, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.